It's raining outside. It's Saturday morning, and I'm gonna try to hang out with my daughter for a couple hours. I'm gonna take her to right next to my mom's house. There's a DoubleTree or a Dollar Tree. I'll probably take her in there because it's warm. Let her run around a little bit, spend some time with her, and then I don't know, see what's going on. Can't go to the playground because it's raining, so not quite sure. So I rent a space at my at my biological father's house. I rent a space from him there, so a room, and it's fairly cheap. Guess what I could afford now. I guess looking out for me, because you know, it feels bad for me or something, I guess. But yeah, I'm gonna I need to get some windshield wipers, so maybe you guys could go with me. Need some windshield wipers, and I'm gonna try to get that right now. Maybe a little cup of coffee. That's pretty much it. I don't know if you can see her, but you see that lady behind me? She's out there in the cold. It's cold, man. She's out there selling tamales and champurrado. I don't got no cash on me. I'll probably buy a champurrado off of her, just off the fact that she's out there, you know. I think she's out there every morning, you know. She's trying. But sometimes it's raining, so all your excuse me. Sorry. All her regular customers are probably either getting a late start or inside because it's the weekend. Maybe thinking twice about going outside to come get the tamales. But, you know, God bless her, man. God bless her. So, yeah, my truck's almost warm up. So maybe the first thing I'm gonna do is get coffee. Then I'm gonna get the windshield wipers, and hopefully it kind of cools. It's not really raining right now. It's drizzling a bit. And I guess this type of rain, I could, you know, I won't be soaked if I change the windshield wipers. I probably should do that as soon as possible. So anyway, my biological father, on my way out, he's told me he made me some breakfast, so he made me a burrito. So I appreciated that. There's some good UFC on today. There's good football. I think the Chiefs versus the Bills. And you got the Packers versus the Buccaneers. I think they're both tomorrow. There's only 4 teams left, so I think they're just gonna play both on Sunday. I thought there was games today. It's the conference finals for the Western and the Eastern, AFC and NFC. So I wish the park was open, because like that's kind of where I talk to the other parents, and I play football with this other little 9-year-old kid that he's been coming and using me as quarterback. And you know, there's females over there, like other mothers, and they talk to me sometimes. I don't know, it's like a social thing, you know.